Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips #0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Start by powering off your HP 13 4101 nanoseconds and unplugging it from any power source. Next, flip the laptop over to access the battery compartment. Carefully remove the screws securing the back cover using the Phillips #0 screwdriver. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Start from one corner and work your way around to avoid damaging the casing. With the cover removed, you should see the battery clearly marked. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the internal components with the microfiber cloth. This is crucial for the longevity of your device. Now, locate the battery connector. Gently pull the connector away from the motherboard using your fingers or the spudger. Be careful not to apply too much pressure. After disconnecting the battery, remove any screws that hold the battery in place. With the screws removed, lift the battery out of its compartment. If you don't have the replacement battery on hand, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can find the right battery for your laptop. Insert the new battery into the compartment, aligning it properly. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Once the battery is secured, reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard. Ensure it clicks into place firmly. Before reassembling the back cover, it's a good idea to test the new battery. Power on the laptop and check if it recognizes the new battery correctly. If you experience any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We also provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you can avoid any hassle with transportation. If everything is functioning properly, proceed to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press down to ensure it snaps into place. Finally, replace the screws to secure the back cover firmly. After replacing the screws, give your laptop a final wipe with the microfiber cloth to remove any fingerprints or smudges. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the battery in your HP 13 4101 nanoseconds. If you're unsure about any steps or lack the necessary tools, remember, no calls, no travel, just contact us for a quote before repair. We're here to help you with all your laptop needs, ensuring you get the best service possible. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.